All right, so for a quick kind of flyover of our Canvas page, when you go into our Algebra 2 Canvas page, you should see a front screen or home screen that looks something like this. This is our class syllabus, technically is the tab. So I'm using it on the app. So it should look similar to this on the web if you're doing that. I'm hoping that this is going to be very clear. Anytime you have a class, this right here, I wish I had a pen or something. The Zoom class meeting, that's the link you're going to click. Anytime we have office hours and you're coming in for help, or I tell you I want to see you, you're going to click the office hours link. A couple just main things here. You can see down at the bottom, there's a class schedule. You can see that this is just the PDF that shows our schedule, so you're welcome to save this to your computers or whatever you want to do. The big place that you're going to want to look, there's two places that I think are going to be pretty important. The daily agenda, which right now doesn't really have anything in it. The daily agenda is going to tell us what are we doing every day. This is if you miss a class, if you don't want to go back through and look through all of your announcements. This is going to be kind of our daily kind of what are we doing. Now, all of the content, all of the pages you want to look at, you can either just go ahead and click the week at the top, and this will take you into the modules. Or if we actually go back to our home screen, you can click class content or modules over here. And this is going to be our introductory week, our week 1. You can see the dates are there. I'm going to have it broken up by every single day. So you can see, hey, the first day, the first week of school survey is open, and that's going to be due August 9th, and so forth. And obviously this will kind of get a little bit more filled as we go on. Class notes, I'm going to be taking notes on OneNote. So if you ever want to view our filled in notes, you can click class notes. If you're someone who needs textbook pages, if you need to actually see a textbook, you can see we'll start actually in 1.4, and you can always go ahead and click 1.4 and the textbook will come up for you. Helpful links, this is going to be just links that we use a lot. Hopefully that will grow. The course guidelines, you can see I have some just questions to ask yourself, but my actual class policies are that big link there, and you can look through that. As for anything else, here's a little bit about me. You can go ahead and read about me. There's my dog. That's Sammy. She's the best. I need help. Just some suggestions for when you need any help. So I'm hoping that this is a really helpful resource. Again, the syllabus is going to be our main page. You can go to assignments, which will kind of list all of our assignments there. You can turn things in. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know.